Hello everyone and welcome back to chatgpt TV. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about adventure, travel, and discovering incredible places around the world. And today's adventure is truly special. We are taking you to the heart of Japan's beautiful mountains, to Hakuba Iwatake Mountain Resort, home of one of the most thrilling attractions you can ever experience, the Yoo-hoo Swing. Just imagine this for a moment. You take a gondola up the mountain. As you rise higher, the air gets cooler. The views get wider, and the world below slowly disappears. When you reach the top, you are surrounded by the majestic Japanese Alps, mountains stretching as far as your eyes can see. Right there, standing at the edge of the mountain, is the Yoo-hoo Swing. At first glance, it looks simple, just a swing. But don't be fooled. This swing is built high above the valley, and once you sit down, reality hits you. Your heart starts beating faster. Your hands grip the ropes, and your mind asks one question: am I really about to do this? The staff secure you carefully, making sure everything is safe and ready. You take a deep breath. There is a brief moment of silence, and then you push off. Suddenly, your feet leave the ground. The mountain drops away beneath you. The wind rushes past your face, and before you can stop yourself, a loud, natural shout comes out, "Yoo-hoo!" That shout is pure emotion. It's excitement. It's fear turning into joy. It's the feeling of being completely alive. As the swing moves forward and backward, you float above the valley with an incredible panoramic view. In winter, the mountains are covered in snow, shining under the sun. In summer, everything is green and vibrant, full of life. What makes the Yoo-hoo Swing truly special is not just the height or the speed. It's the connection with nature. For a few seconds, nothing else matters. This experience challenges your fear of heights, but it rewards you with confidence and happiness. By the time the swing slows down and your feet touch the ground again, your legs may still be shaking, but your face will be smiling. After the swing, Hakuba Iwatake Resort has so much more to offer. You can relax at the Mountaintop Cafe, walk along scenic viewpoints, or simply sit and take in the fresh mountain air. It's the perfect place to reflect on the experience and capture amazing photos and videos. The Yoo-hoo Swing is not just an attraction. It's a memory that stays with you. It reminds you to take risks, to step out of your comfort zone, and to enjoy life fully. So if you are planning a trip to Japan, especially to the Nagano region, make sure Hakuba Iwatake Mountain Resort and the Yoo-hoo Swing are on your must-visit list. Thank you for watching chatgpt TV. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next journey. Until next time, stay bold, stay curious, and never stop chasing adventure.
It's good, like I've learned to do a good basic. Yeah, 我覺得幾好啊，佢就真係 OK 嘅，睇機器睇食咗啦，會食唔下嘅。哦，自己中係我哋搞佢哋嘅係同佢
แบบสตรอเบอรี่เนี่ยแล้วแต่หน้าแต่ว่าแบบส่วนใหญ่ผมว่าถ้าเอาสวยก็หน้าหนาวแต่ถ้าเอาอาหารก็เนี่ยสงกรานต์พอดีเลยแต่ถ้าไปแบบทั่วแล้วก็เพราะผมไป
เพราะมันหนาวไปทำอะไรไม่ค่อยได้เลย
มันเหมือนมันจะมีรูทที่เขาไปเที่ยวกันอยู่อ่ะถ้าโอตารุซัปโปโรอะไรคือถ้าเกิดสมมติเราไปครบหมดแล้วอ่ะมันก็จะแบบ